I can't zoom in. I can't. Can you hold that? Okay. This is not on YouTube. I'm gonna take that now. Oh, okay. Don't really care about Cowboy right now. Mellies. I care about Burns more. Look at that. Oh, there's somebody in there for a second. I wonder when the fireworks are going to happen. Yeah. Oh, just realised. Oh.
Quite a big one.
Yeah, still. Trying to dodge all of these so I don't get burnt. Finally. Let's see when the fireworks are back on.